From our childhood or our parents' childhood, we always listen of famous biscuit brand which was known as Parle G. It is not the famous biscuit since all times but always be in the modern time also. Do you know the success story behind this? Parle G was founded in 1929 by Mohan Lal Dayal of Chauhans. The main aim of this company was to promote the production and use of Indian goods which was deeply influenced by Swadeshi movements. Basically, a Swadeshi movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi to boycott the use of other countries' product and started to increase the production and use the products of their own country. First factory was set up between the villages of Irla and Parla, which was located at West Mumbai. In this factory, there were only 12 men who were working there along with their family members. In between these arrangements, founders were so busy in managing the factory work and production they forget to give the company name. Then they decided the name was Parle, which was based on the first factory location and it was the first Indian owned confectionery brand in our country. So Parle first product was orange candy. So this was very grateful for our country to eat their own India's products. After 10 years, they introduced their product which was known as Parle Gluco, which was biscuit. It is one of the most affordable biscuit in the India and it was purely made in India. And after launching this product, it quickly became popular and its sales were increasing day by day. After 21 years, it means in 1960, other brands were also came into the market to launch their own glucose products to compete with Parle. There are so many confusion came into the market that the customer simply asked the shopkeeper for glucose biscuit. After facing this problem, Parle launched a new type of packaging which Parle Gluco was written in red color logo along with the little girls in the yellow wax paper wrapper. But this strategy was failed to easily understand the difference between Parle product and other companies' product. So in 1982, finally Parle Glucose was replaced with Parle G and it will clear all the problems of the customer and after that company will never look back and its sales were increasing year to year. Today the Parle G revenue in 2023 was approx 2.2 billion. After that the Parle has launched so many products like Parle Poppins, Mango Bite, Melody, Bisleri, Hide and Seek, Crack and Jack, Happy Happy, Mary, Milano, Monaco and many more also. So let's talk about why Parle has changed their logo. Nowadays a video was too much viral on the internet by an influencer which was known as Jarvan G Vanshas. He made a video in which he asking a question while sitting in a car. If you meet the owner of Parle, do you call him Parle sir, Mr. Parle or Parle G? And this video will went viral on the social media. Then Parle sent a reply to him that while you figure out what to call the owner of Parle G, you can call us your favorite biscuit to enjoy with a cup of chai. And guys, this is temporary logo for just doing marketing.